Hello children, this is your maths class and we are going to start chapter 14, Banks and Simple Interest. So here in the textbook, page 73, you can see the picture. You know what is this? It's a bank, okay. When you go, have you gone to a bank? You will see such places here, means departments, different sections. This is savings section, current section, FD section and all that, okay. And there will be staff here and you will have to, they will attend you, means whatever you want they will help you, okay. In case of you have anything, any transaction related to banks and all that, you are depositing money, savings, okay. Then current account, FD account, all those things are there, different bank accounts, okay. So this chapter is about banks and simple interest. So here it is written, what does the picture above show? Find out about the nature of work in this office. Make a note of your observation. So what all things do you see? You can see that there are different sections, means different counters. This is counter for savings. This is current, FD account. Then different staffs are appointed in these different sections. Then if when the people, the customers go to the bank, these people attend them, and some of them wait here, have to wait here, means they have to take their turn. When there are more people, after one person's work is done, then only the next person can come and come to the counter, okay. So by turn, after one person, the other one, they can't make a rush, okay. They can't crowd up in front of the receptions here, okay, in these counters. After one person, they will first, you will have to go and give your names over there, then they will call you one by one, then you will go and ask whatever help you want from the staffs, okay. So this is a picture of a bank, okay. So a bank is a government recognized organization that carries out transaction of money. It is a financial organization. Finance relates to money. So it is a financial organization, means financial means something related to money, okay. So a government or recognized organization means governed as a government approved that this bank is safe for you to deposit some money and all that. So government recognized, okay, that carries out transaction of money. You can put some money as a saving, or you can from here you have to send some money to some of your relative in another city, that also you can do, transfer money to other person's account. All those things are done, and people take bank loans, okay. All these things are related to what? Money, okay. So so money is called finance. So it is a financial organization, okay. Then we need to be prudent in spending the money we earn. We save money for use in the future. Our savings are meant to meet expenses on education, building a house, medical treatment, on our occupation, such as for using improved methods of agriculture, etc. Small savings made regularly accumulate over a period to become a large amount and prove useful in the future. An amount kept in a bank remains safe and also grows over the years. So they are saying that we need to be very careful while spending. Your father will be having some salary and he will not just spend. You should, if you have a lot of money, you should keep some money carefully. You should spend money carefully, and the remaining money you can keep as a saving, okay. Some of you children might be having piggy banks. What do you do in piggy banks? You put all the pocket money you get in that piggy bank, right? And after when you put little by little, after so many days when you open it, it will be having lot of money. Same is in the case of banks also. So if your parents might be doing that, when they get salary, they have to spend money for your food and all those basic necessary things. Then a part of their salary they will keep in they will put in their account in the banks, okay, as a saving. And when they put these amounts in the bank, what do the banks give? Interest. That means as you put the money in the bank, and after many years the money will increase after sometimes for an emergency, like for education, for building house and all that. If you need a large amount of money, these savings can be useful. And also for medical treatment in emergency, if you want to go to a hospital and you have to spend a lot of money, these saving money, this money you have saved in bank accounts will be useful, okay? So that is the case. What happens when you save money, that is, you can use it in future, okay? So saving money is done, all people save a part of their salary. Your parents will also be doing that, okay? So this is about what all things happen in a bank. So an amount kept in the bank remains safe, okay? It will be safe. No one, if you keep a large amount of money in your house, the thief might come and take it away, but it is safe in a bank, okay? And also grows over the years. And how it grows over the years, you will learn, okay? You are going to learn, okay, after this, okay? So how it grows. If you put 100 rupees or whatever amount of rupees in the bank, after 1 year, the amount will increase. That you will learn. You are going to learn in this chapter, okay? So this was an introduction about banks. What all things, a small idea about what are banks, okay? There are many banks you might have heard, State Bank, Union Bank, then there are many private banks, Axis Bank and all that, okay? So next day you will learn what all things you are going to learn, okay? So this was just an introduction of this chapter, banks and simple interest, okay? So next day we'll start learning new things, okay? Till then, bye children.